This ain't the Melba's, is it? Is this Melba's? Hold on, they got a Melba's.
How many subscribers you got?
We got 1 million subscribers. 1,000,001 now.
But this is
You got one for 20 minutes?
Yeah, only for a horse experience, $64. You know, small loop. But the park tour takes 45 minutes. Yeah,
Copy.
that's the one.
All right, say your name, bro.
Molly.
Molly.
Yes.
So Molly be out here, y'all. So if y'all ever out here, tap into your guy. All right.
How many subscribers you got?
We got 1 million subscribers.
1 million?
1,000,001 now.
Yes.
1,000,001
What's your channel?
subscribers. Swaganese Travels. Swaganese Travels on
Put it down. I don't know.
You see this name right here?
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's why we wear the hats, y'all, man. Go get you some. First one with it.
See?
Don't forget it. Yeah, I
See?
did it.
Swaganese.
See it?
You
Swaganese.
see, you got one more.
Yeah, man. Nah, I'm lying. I was capping on 1 million subscribers, but one day.
One day, right?
Yeah, you gotta start somewhere, right?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So this is how it all happens, man. Where you from, my guy?
I'm from World.
Where?
The Earth.
Where at, man? Where you from?
New York.
You're not born and raised in New York?
Yeah.
All right. He born and raised in New York. Where your family from? Where your ancestry come from?
From Turkey.
Are you from Turkey?
Yeah.
All right. See, look, he out here in New York City from Turkey.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So y'all gotta stop acting like turkeys, bro. This is Swaganese Travel. This is literally, we are in Central Park now. You know what I'm saying? This is New York Central Park. Not Mount Royale, but this is Central Park. I don't know which one. I think probably Mount Royale was the first, probably, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna do some research on that. If y'all know if Mount Royale was done first or Central Park was done first, let me know in the comments. Somebody let me know, one of you smart guys out there, smart ladies, somebody, anybody, educate your boy. But look what's going on. You know, you gotta come enjoy your city. Look what's going on. Look what the background look like. Look, you see? Amazing, right? This is New York City. This is one of the like odd buildings here. You guys ever probably on what street is this? Oh, actually I think it's this one, if I'm not mistaken. This is like one of these little skinny buildings. These buildings right here, like low key, a lot of investors and like real estate moguls, what they do is just buy property in these joints and just hold them. That's how you clean money. You know what I'm saying? L didn't tell y'all that though. I heard that on YouTube. Somebody told me that on YouTube. All right. Wink, wink. I don't know how to wink, wink. But yeah, those type of buildings like that, you see those tall buildings like that? You just buy, you know, if you got big money like that, you just go buy a couple of spots, you see the birds? Birds be wilding now. I don't know what's going on with the birds. The birds and the humans, man, they all acting crazy. But yeah, let me not get distracted. These buildings right here, you basically just buy properties inside of them and hold them. And that's how you hold your money. That's like a good investment like that. And you just let it appreciate in terms of value. And rather than buying like condos and shit like that, or buying property, you buy one big property like this and one of these joints like that and leave it abandoned and just let it sit. It's New York City. This shit gonna go crazy. You already know how that go. So that's what the mega rich do. If y'all ain't know what these buildings was, y'all walk past these skinny buildings, don't know what's going on. That's the little inside scoop from your boy. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a kid from the projects, you feel me? Happen to pay attention a little bit. And then Central Park now. We're not gonna, of course, like I said, this is on, we like literally started like 59th Street. So we're not going all the way to 110 from here. So I'm just showing you guys a little bit. So you can do a little comparison from Mount Royale, where we showed you there, to the actual Central Park. Again, it's the same designer as Mount Royale out in Canada. Shout outs to Canada, shout outs to Montreal. Shout outs to all of y'all out there. Shout outs to my guy June, shout outs to Ed. Shout out to everybody that I met in Montreal, man. Everybody that, you know, you came across yourself in the video, man. Shout out to you. Yeah, I know what it is. And they also got the Central Park Zoo, which sounds like a cool thing to do. Maybe not a great thing to do, like, I mean, you can do it as an adult, right? But more than likely, you want to bring some kids with you or something like that. Looking like a creep. I mean, world is crazy out here. But I don't know what this is over here in the background. We about to check it out. So yeah, they got the tennis little thing right here. If y'all interested in playing tennis. Like I said in my other video, like by the soccer joint, like it's people that that's from the hood that don't even venture out and do shit like that. And I know we'd be nice at it, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to play tennis and all that, jump into tennis. We ain't gotta always play basketball and football. You know we nice at everything, man. Y'all see Venus and Serena, y'all know how we give it up. Some of y'all little niggas stop acting crazy and go play tennis, bro. No cap, play tennis or play soccer, man. Do something different. Let's switch it up. We taking over all of it. You know what I mean? I don't know, man. We do this shit too. We ain't got no hood soccer players. We need a hood soccer player. We need a hood tennis player. You know what I'm saying? We need Tyrone from the hood that played tennis that's dead nice. That's kicking everybody's ass. That's from the projects in New York City. Can we get one? Let's get it. And then you gonna sign a Swaganese, all right? So we get this sponsorship money, get it right. Yeah, yeah. Nah, no cap though. I'm wild hungry. I ain't eat shit all day. Let me show y'all some cool shit though. We over here now. Well, they got this ain't the Melba's, is it? Is this Melba's? Hold on, they got a Melba's down here, y'all. Yeah, they got a Melba's truck down here. If this look like the same person, yeah. This is Melba's from uptown, y'all. Right down here. Look, hold on. If I'm not mistaken, they really, I'm not tripping, look. Bow. Yo, this is Melba's? Melba's? From uptown? Heard you. Alright. Copy. Yeah, this is Melba's, y'all. They got a Melba's down here. Y'all want soul food, they right here. You shitting me? Y'all every day? Every day. They here every day, y'all. It's lit. How, what you got? Yeah, I try to see what you got. Hell yeah, I just saying I was hungry. Then I turned the corner and Melba's right here. Home sweet home. Harlem. Big Harlem, man.
Right turn.
You know what I'm saying? Your face look familiar. I probably see you work uptown too?
Nah, I work in Midtown, Lower East Side.
Copy. You from Harlem now?
Nah, I'm from Brooklyn.
Oh, you from Brooklyn? Oh, all right, copy. All right. Swaganese Travels. What's your name, brother?
Terrence.
Terrence, man. It's Melba's.
Y'all come out here and see us.
You heard?
Yeah, every day.
Every day.
We're back here doing this thing on the
Tap in.
grill.
Yeah, he about to make me some something. So he gonna put something together for your boy. So we gonna see what's going on. But look at this though. Time out. Y'all got Melba's right here. No cap. This is Harlem right now, right? I'm talking to everybody in Harlem. Melba's is right here in Central Park, right? And y'all can have Melba's with this view. Alright, y'all can have Melba's on 114th and 8th and just do it in the restaurant, right? Or y'all can sit right here and just do it like this. Look. Have it y'all way, man. I'm just giving y'all the advice, man. I'm just trying to put y'all on. That's all. This is the menu right here. So I'm gonna try with son cooking up real quick and see what's good. As soon as I'm done, I'm probably just gonna pull up right here and take my own advice and have a bite to eat right here. The Melba's truck. I could go for some soul food. I ain't had soul food in a minute. Y'all got whiting fish? Oh, catfish. Y'all got whiting though? No whiting? Need that whiting, man. Yeah. Copy. You work at multiple locations? Copy. Yo, what's your name? Say your name. Hold on, let me put it on you. No Diddy. Got it.
My name Wong. I work at Melba's.
That's Mark from Melba, y'all. And say your name again, my guy. While the
Terrence.
camera and Terrence.
Bartender.
All right, bartender.
Food server.
You already, man. This is Swaganese Travels, man, from Harlem, 125th Street.
Okay.
In Harlem, you heard? Amsterdam, Broadway. You know. But like I said, y'all can have Melba's right here in Central Park. The summer almost over. Y'all still got a good month, man. Good month. Come take advantage. Step outside, man. You know what I mean? This is Swaganese Travels. I am your host, El Gunner. We, like I said, we right here by Melba's truck. There's a food truck, Melba's. And we're gonna eat this food real quick. So I'll tap in with y'all in a minute. God's so good though, right? You know, when you got good energy and shit, man, you get shit like this, man. So basically, Mark just threw that to me on the house, you know what I mean? And I really appreciate that. That's the chef. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see him in the video. Shout out to you, for real, for real. Like, you didn't have to do that at all. You know what I'm saying? So the fact that he did show love like that, big shout out to you, man. So yeah, we're gonna dig into this. We got the mac and cheese. We have the chicken like nuggets or chicken strips. So, and it got some sauce right here too. So this is Melba's. This is the truck stand right here. Look at my view. Look at my view. Look at that dope ass house in the background. You see that? Look at my view. Look how I'm eating. Y'all gonna tell me this ain't a cool ass view right here? Y'all wildin'. Y'all is wildin'. Central Park, right off of Billionaires Road. We sitting right here in the park. That's it. I'm about to eat my food and I'll hit y'all in a minute. All right? Holla at me. So yeah, y'all. We are done. So we just left Melba's. Like I said, this is Melba's from 114th to 8th Avenue in Harlem. They got the truck out here in Central Park. So if y'all want to tune in and get this view while y'all eat, pop out. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if they got everything that's in the menu on down here that they got up there, but they do got the Melba's out here. So y'all would find something, you know, that y'all familiar with. You know what I'm saying? Got me a little Gatorade. Gotta keep a bath. How y'all doing? All right. But yeah, y'all. This is Central Park, though. Look. And this shit lit. What's today? Wednesday? I think. Today Wednesday, I think. I think when you know the days you ain't busy enough. I don't know what today is. I be super busy. His work is actually good though, no cap. They look like people. They look like the people. When you get your art done out here and all that in the park. But this the Wollman Rink. Hold on, let me show y'all. That's why I don't like recording when I'm eating and doing shit. I got too much going on right now. And I can't operate the way I need to. So yeah, but anyway. The Wollman Rink right here. NYC. WOLLMAN Rink. NYC. So again, this is like right here in the middle. I ain't go too far off of Central Park. This is literally like right in the walkway. So you could come right off the train. Yeah, if you guys are like right in the areas right there, 59th Street between 6th Avenue and 5th Avenue, I believe. And we right here. So mainly the goal today was to really just show you guys Billionaires Row. Just because it's like the New York City, like I said, we gotta pretty much get a real firm grip on everything here, pulsating wise. So we wanted to make sure we got that. That's just like one of the monumental spots, you know what I'm saying, New York City. So Billionaires Row is definitely something that we want to check off. So we got that bow. And we right here in Central Park now. Just enjoying a little festive day. The sun came out. Actually, it was a little cool today. That's why I got my jacket on. So if I'm looking at a place, it's only because it was chilly earlier and I was out since earlier. So, but yeah, we got some cool locations popping up around New York City, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. Yeah, man. This is Swaganese Travels. I am your host, L Gunner. You know the vibes, man. First one with it, don't forget it. Yeah, I did it. Swaganese, man. You know what I'm saying? Tap in. Yeah, y'all, we back. So we's right here, so I figure why not just take y'all to Central, not to Central Park, but we in Central Park already. I figure why not just take you guys to Fifth Avenue, right? We right here downtown already, so we're gonna show you guys that's out of towners. Those of you that never seen Fifth Avenue, you're gonna see it from my perspective, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure there's 1,000 videos on YouTube that you can find that's gonna show you Fifth Avenue. But Swaganese Travels is a different cup of Kool-Aid, you dig? Just a kid from the projects, so you know how to throw that in there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Different cup of Kool-Aid. And we're gonna do it how we do it, you feel me? So we about to take a little detour, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take a little detour up the Bliddy-Dock, up the Bliss Nye, you feel me? And we're gonna show you niggas what Fifth Avenue look like, baby. This is Swaganese Travels. And we be traveling like this. Traveling, walking in swag. That's called walking in swag, alright? Big bop like a clock. That's called walking in swag. Anytime y'all see that, it's called walking in swag.